Vortex Robot is a robot that uses vortex-based motion or technology to perform tasks. They are found in areas like pool cleaning, fluid handling, HVAC systems, and in advanced robotics for propulsion or manipulation in fluids. Vortex robots are used in medical, industrial, and aquatic environments. They use swirling or vortex-based motion or technology to perform specific tasks. They can vary in form, from swimming pool cleaners to specialized surgical devices. Vortex robots create a powerful suction or air circulation pattern, which improves the efficiency of debris removal or movement. The vortex motion helps to prevent debris buildup or filter clogging, enhancing longevity and reducing maintenance. A vortex robot has efficient debris handling that minimizes filter clogging with cyclonic separation. It is equipped with smart sensors and navigation algorithms. It has lower energy use due to optimized fluid flow. Fewer moving parts reduce wear and tear,